Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. Ito yung reading natin for water sign. Take only what resonates kasi hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat, Kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. So, for personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, search mo lang siya sa Facebook, okay? So, siya nga pala, birthday niya na sa October. Panay-panayin mo lang yung comment. Ayan, sa ating mga videos, maaaring mapansin ka niya, matuwa siya sa'yo, and pwedeng ikaw yung maswerteng mabigyan ng personal reading sa October. Mamimili siya sa mga nagko-comment sa akin. Okay? And, kung gusto mong pa-personal reading sa kanya na lang, pwede kang pumunta sa kanila. Calamba, Laguna. Ayan, para magpa-personal na reading at magpagamot sa kanya. Let's start for water sign. Spirit guides, angel guides for water sign, please. Okay, one last shuffle. Meron tayong special channel for water sign, Water sign Philippines. Spirit guides, angel guides, messages for water sign. Page of Cups. And the star is here. In the world. Okay, kuha pa ka isang card. The Tower. Okay, puro major arcanas, guys. Except for the Page of Cups. I don't know about you guys, pero yung iba sa inyo, yung energy mo is medyo may konti kang immaturity. Yung iba i-deny, Yeah, honestly, there's a lot of maturity here. With the Page of Swords and the Nine of Swords. Kaya ka nagkakaroon ng problema. Minsan kasi medyo immature ka mag-isip. With the Page of Cups, maybe yung iba regarding sa love. Immature ka pagdating sa love. And then, nagkakataon pa na yung nakaka-connect mo is immature din mag-isip. With the Star, malaki yung mataas pangarap mo eh. Ibibigay mo lahat para ma-achieve or ma-reach yung pangarap na yon. And with the World, I feel like you're a very creative person. Isa sa sabihin na natin makakapagpayaman sa'yo, no? Yung passion mo. Ituloy mo lang. Maybe you are very creative, you're very artistic, or may something na talagang minamahal mo, gustong-gusto mo gawin. Ituloy mo lang yon kasi pwedeng yun yung magpayaman sa'yo. Ano ba yun? Sabihin nyo, yung iba, yung hobby mo, kung ikaw ay hilig mo magluto, maybe yun yung makapagpayaman sa'yo. Kung ikaw ay ang hobby mo naman ay maglinis ng kuko, so pwedeng ganun. May kinalaman doon. And then yung iba, yung pagiging magaling mong mag-handicraft, pwede may kinalaman doon. But anyway, something to do with being artistic. Ma-achieve mo yung pangarap mo kung itutuloy mo tong mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa'yo or gusto mo. The Tower is here. I can see ending na nangyayari sa'yo. And let me ask or let me clarify what's with the Tower, please. Spirit guides, angel guides. With the Tower. Eight of Pentacles. Maybe may kinalaman ito sa work, career, or pagtulong, alin man doon. Yun yung kailangan mong tapusin. Either yung sa work mo, maybe you're no longer happy, i-end mo yon. Yung iba, pwedeng may kinalaman sa pagtulong kasi hindi mo na nararamdaman yung pera mo, yung finances mo, bigay ka na lang ng bigay sa iba. Bakit kailangan i-end yun? I want to know. You do have here the Fool, the Empress, and the Chariot. For some of you, kailangan mong i-end yun because you need to take a risk and maybe to prepare dito sa pagta-travel na ito in the future. Maybe you need to give time and maramdaman mo naman yung kinita mo, no? Ibigay mo naman sa sarili mo. So, for some of you, yun yung advice. And with the Fool, maybe there's something na naghihintay sa'yo in the future na may kinalaman sa pagta-travel. So, you need to save your money. Okay, yung iba naman, kung bakit kailangan mong umalis or tapusin yung trabaho na ito, because may something na naghihintay sa'yo in the future na mas makakabuti para sa'yo. Yeah. The Three of Swords is here, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Huwag mong pahirapan yung sarili mo. Kung hindi ka masaya sa ginagawa mo or hindi mo gusto, huwag mong gawin. Messages for love for water sign. What are the messages for love for water sign? You do have here the Four of Swords, Four of Wands. If you are in a relationship, nagtutuloy-tuloy lang, I can see stability. Maybe if possible, na yung pinapangarap mo in the future ay mangyari sa inyo ng taon to. If you want marriage, pagsasama, possible mangyari yan for you. If you're single, high chance na wag ka munang makipag-connect kung kani-kanino kasi there's someone here na possible na makakonect mo. And I can see that there's a lot of immaturity dito sa taong to. And or sa connection ninyo. Eight of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So this is telling you na wag mong i-open ang sarili mo. Lalo na nga kung hindi mo gusto, di ba? Huwag mo ipilit ang sarili mo sa mga bagay or mga tao na hindi mo gusto. Okay, what will happen in the future for your water sign? Okay. Nagulat ako at may pusa po. Wait lang, guys. Okay, sorry about that. Anyway, punta tayo sa future mo, water sign. I'm really sorry, kung iba sa inyo narinig, may nagulat ka din. May nagulat din ako. For your future, the Hierophant and the Sun is here. This is another major arcana. Actually, I can see happiness sa'yo. Kasi with the Hierophant, marami ka matutulungan tao na hindi ko sinabing by pera ha. Sinabi ko na walang kinalaman doon yung advice sa'yo kanina is to medyo maglaylo and mag-focus ka naman sa sarili mo. Ibigay mo naman sa sarili mo, diba? And for your future. Yung the Hierophant, kita lang natin dito is that marami ka matutulungan through your advice. May mga tao ka na matutulungan na makuha yung mga pangarap nila. Kung magbibigay ka ng advice sa kanila, or i-share mo yung knowledge mo, or yung kung saan ka magaling. I told you, if you are a creative person, ilabas mo yon. Lalo na if you're working for this person, could be your boss. Kasi pwedeng maabot niya yung pangarap niya din. And at the same time, maabot mo rin yung pangarap mo. Lalo, kasi if your boss, yung iba sa inyo sabihin, pinapayaman yung boss, di ba ganon? Isa energy mo kasi hindi eh. The more na magiging successful yung boss mo or yung employer mo, magiging successful ka rin. Kasi parang dala-dala ka niya eh. You are his or her right hand. Parang ganon. Kung magiging successful siya, magiging successful ka din. Malaki yung maitutulong mo para ma-achieve mo yung pangarap niya. And then, ganun ka rin naman. Ma-achieve mo rin yung pangarap mo. And there's a lot of happiness sa'yo in the future with the sun. A lot of positivity. Ay mawawala yung stress mo sa totoo lang. Sa mga taong malalayo sa'yo. And yeah. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all. And bye-bye.